Hello my YouTubers and welcome back to a brand new video of my series back for all the beginners of Roblox Studio. Today now we're in the second part of this series, which is of I made a video of for how to make a clickable block that if a player clicks it disappears and then it comes back from any time you want. And I just added a local script from the part, and everything looks correct. I don't see any red lines, but as I play the game, I also got the click detector, but nothing happened because this thing cannot take local scripts, only script. If I click it, nothing happens. So it looks like I need to stop and just click local script and just copy all of that, and then just do the same as copy, but then delete it. Then just click delete for the local script, then click the part and then click script, not local script, because that was the problem. And then we just paste it in the script, and as we play now, that will just solve the problem. And now that we're in the game, I just click the part and I see it works. So the problem was the local script. And local scripts can't be used for these kind of things, because the local scripts I know I just use more often is with the screen UI and the screen UI, and plus the mouse click may take maybe for only script, and the mouse button one click maybe for local script. And okay, so I think that's all for this video, and if you like my channel, please subscribe if you like my channel, and of course if you like this video, please make sure to give it a like. And this is Pavdee13 leaving. Bye!